Manchester United are back into the Champions League. Champions League, no, mostly. So who say ye ka elite teams our Champions League ni mu a ye bo na ye bo Man United din. And Rebecca ya na no na mbedin ko wi ha say check the number of years Man U club no current been for the semi-final of the Champions League ara wo kakra. Na rawo sam kwa na etwa de mu nyina na say etru baabi no na qualification kura ho ayedin. And the Man United say we qualify after Champions League ni bi. Because competition no. So one mobia untime nje. And to qualifying to the Champions League no, and one of the main goals, the main reason why inti a Man U for club like catch Ruben Amorim say yentime ne won to adwuma so biem say ja kwan e ma woko. So there are so many factors ejinam ema the appointment of Michael Carrick eba into fusion. But Mecca say and performance Mecca the whistle you say the target na set my we've been able to achieve that target. So Man United club now are back in next year's Champions League. Enra, give me ND 3-2. Club by a friend of Manchester United that we need game no. After say my branch for the Benjamin Shesko, Kobe Menu, and the other guys no. And win again by 3-2. Even though said there were so many complications, we will get to that side. Because I've always said this. Say the way a Man U for club ne both game is nippy no. A true baby a give it cause for interpretations be. A true baby now we game now over no. A come is okay. Still now no Man U club na like some few things they need to improve upon. And general na make catcher boys they say I only Michael Carrick pe and you're the only manager. Results are in Saka. Baby, our former new club may be free, and baby, what you drew. Still, no one. People are doubting him, say, young first man on a permanent basis. Because the type of football I do, baby, Man U club ne they get results, but you ask yourself, say, is it sustainable? If me hold it forth in a full season, Man U competing for the Champions League, competing for the league. A competing for the FA Cup and the Carabao Cup, no, can they do it in 4 competitions? And yet they got crap, but we will get to that end. Benra, when nearby, for the first time in 10 years, Man U club are a double over Liverpool. The last time I see, I happened in the 2015-2016 season, and a Man U club, I share Liverpool home and away. Nemum Enrano after 3-2 say Omoye for the first time in 10 years, and it's a very, very, very good feat for Michael Carrick and Man U for boys. No? So Enra a poor game no. Who said confirmed Man U are qualified for the Champions League next year no. Kwakwe na nipa na or trende na a Ruben Amorim. Because the type of conversations are Ruben Amorim have about this particular team. And the level that they are, and the conversation among you for having on the day now, I'm going to let about on top Pam Ruben Amorim no. Boku, it tells you say if you make the right decision in the second Papa Noah in front of Ruben Amorim. This is a letter on that day. Ruben Amorim has departed his role as head coach of Manchester United. Ruben was appointed in November 2024 and led the team to the UEFA Europa League final in Bilbao in May. Number very important. When Manchester United sitting seats in the Premier League, the club leadership has reluctantly made a decision that it is the right time to make this change. This will give the team the best opportunity of the highest possible Premier League finish. And and by one the Omoye say I keep on I'm for Ruben Amorim by and they say upon Emra now at least on shaping the team to a leveler helmet now reaching the highest possible finish in the Premier League, and at this juncture I won't pay the Champions League. And at the time I'm upon Ruben Amorim no Now Amorim at the seats on the Premier League table. Then by for who say per games now cano. And the type of result that Ruben Amorim mean so much no hold one. Man for this or do who say or make a Champions League no. I wear na anye because that time no na results no na enye. But from the time now upon Ruben Amorim no obaku ade asimi. Ruben Amorim at the time ana ye kan one sam no obaku even as also Liverpool. But under apply for the Michael Carrick no was City 2-0. Was Arsenal 3-2. Was Tottenham 2-0. Was Chelsea 1-0. And then on Liverpool piece. And the traditional top 6 clubs no more Premier League no. Ruben Amorim and man show Nemo papa for the Michael Carrick no was finish up. And yeah, that's a coach. What make it a stride? What make it those winnings never United that? But even though say some say kind of that level the type of results that they are getting no obaku are commendable. And see a book upon for like a character also. Press our date we obaku. This was on the 24th of November 2025. And this is what Ruben Amorim said after a game. We are not there. Not even close to where we need to be to fight for top places in this league. And the Ruben Amorim and analogy no Manu club no at that time na Manu club in Luho or manu the leveler or met na pre top 4 or met na pre top 3 or met na Premier League no or met na pre for Champions League. This was the idea and this was the analogy. Adrian na Eda Ruben Amorim team. Interveka said there are coaches and there are philosophers. They are workers and they are doers. Time upon a friend of Michael Carrick Bayern, he knew say there are problems with this team, but the first one not a mentality. So he needed to work on the mentality and Salawaba on the grounds of tactics. So for the first game, Sayabo, Ruben Amorim everywhere. Papa, friend Michael Carrick, 14 games in the Premier League. In that 14 games, no, there is no Premier League team when you have more points at that same time. At the time, apart from Michael Carrick, because in those 14 games, no, that's what we see. Man United, and this table away. So and Kaya the south side of Kuano, and prepare the Premier League table. And by this time, and come on, you club no, I had the Premier League.
And in Tia and Rako social media no so. Man U supporters and say 2026 or Magic League.
I'm on a champion. For this year, I owe me. Or be the Premier League, one more points. Manchester United.
The City, they are standing matches in
me.
Into a sharing of
2 games now. 6 points.
Obisan
for 6 plus a year saying
27. Obenya 33. They are United.
Yes.
The City in Kwan, the
but saying I'm more anyway.
Say Yamoy.
Yamoy. And this year, one more points. And the good news is, I'm for a wash on wash over now.
Wow.
Wash Arsenal. Wash City. Wash Liverpool.
Amorim come on no Kase United and you're ready to be top there no.
At that level.
Adane.
I check. Not any of us soccer. From that day on this uncle.
Patros the motive be our from Monsu Nimyansa. My Papa Claire, my union, and old dear Amorim. Oh, be back.
The coach no
dinner temper. When did you coach that? Dinner temper.
Coach in Nyansa. And so, if you look at this table, these are people they've, like I say, per analogy, they couldn't have achieved this result. But we have gotten this. And I didn't wait to say, Ruben Amorim, no, said no more can I friend Emra. Now, come on, you for 2 years, come manager comes and job idea. Because will be a cost of financial loss to the team. 1/10 swear on. He didn't appoint himself. But the whole thinking around Man U club qualifying for the Champions League, you know, and I'm more a friend of Michael Carrick. He's done a very, very good job. On the game itself, well, my father went to a game, and this is something I saw from Enra Yabo gave me here. season, you bought 35 Premier League games. Some had the when was screen is here. After 35 games, Liverpool first, Man United 50 on the Premier League.
After
35 games.
Last season. After 35 games.
Yes.
Now Liverpool are first.
Man U 15.
15. Then time na yes 3 Man U is am wa krom bewe no. Be na teams on bewe no ma we.
Liverpool 82 points. Man United 39 points. So the difference was 43 points. At this same stage. 35.
Man U that third.
But
Liverpool that fourth.
This season 64 58. 6 points difference between United and Liverpool.
Wow.
And it's our side.
At this stage, last season, the Man U were -9.
Yes.
This season, or plus 15.
Yes.
Wow.
And yeah, come progression. And from that time now till now, we will say, Man U club na more progression. But at the end, I say, okay, wouldn't mean for all the praises in for Michael Carrick and Kwan. Because some of those points, Ruben Amorim in fact, points now Munya out of that 64 points, a more 33 was won by Michael Carrick. Nyaka Ruben Amorim. And Timaka said somewhere like 50-50. Even though said Michael Carrick about 6 games less than Ruben Amorim. But points gap there it is relatively but the thing is yes, sir, this conversation is about Liverpool and United, not Carrick and Ruben Amorim. And it's all when I do Liverpool fans the head of Anna's Slaughter. These are some of the things why ABR because these results and these numbers aren't favorable. I have already spoken about Michael Carrick. Results are results. Immediately you look at these results. I catch on and say, yes, Carrick is doing a very good job. But I've always said, Carrick no akakra.
A very good job, but akakra still.
Results I get BBR will be asking.
So results no say United for here.
Yes.
And no nyanso.
Ntia make say result e get bibia so. Won make am say Mahu Deserbi. Mahu Fabian Hasler. Mahu Pep Guardiola. Mahu
David Moyes.
Enzo Fernandez, Enzo Maresca.
Moyes in Kang.
Oh no, I'm talking about people are more some little bit of revolutionary system be bad Premier League anymore. After a few months, I'm gonna find you out.
Okay.
They brought a new system to the Premier League. I'm gonna buy money ye, but the true will be no. Now be more on what true.
Thomas Tuchel.
Nti una na eba. Our simpler way no break you. Omo game ni we no players na ebo, no so na ye hyew.
Nti metuase yi a Michael Carrick ebe kakra wo behu na na.
Pe the ball na obo no. Maybe there are traces of Silas Ferguson type of football transitions, and mostly transitional football. No, it will be sustainable for some time, but not all the time. Obi a second half no, obaku etu baby no, na Man U club no ho chiro in the second half.
Bebrena say the substitution of Benjamin Sesko for Amad Diallo. And a pressure by United team.
These are all examples. Examples to be that woman. These are all examples. Maybe it will take a little bit of time. I am not against the say Ruben I can't say Michael Carrick. The reason being is that there is no viable options this year for United. So you tell Michael Carrick why you go find another. Why never be a Jumano? Who can even come in and make money for club not take like this? But a dear woman in answer said, you cannot ignore the signs, no. So even though he's trying to get the basics right, There are never getting more. He needs to improve upon it. First half, perfect. Man U forces the only right game. Try and use the middle channels. Try as much as possible was more build up, no. Club by a friend, Liverpool would be able to maybe soak the first phase, you know. Sometimes defend. Who defend it in a mid block. Sometimes sit a little bit deeper. Then you play on transitions. And in the first half, no. Now Liverpool for the type of transitions now Man U for no. Now Omunia no drew into 2 quick goals. Papa. Now Liverpool for club no. But in the second half, no. Papa na your friend and the slot went in a little bit more aggressive. And it was time to a Brighton friend McAllister. He was pressing very, very, very deeply. And to us had 2 goals now when you consider all those goals no not are self-inflicted. Saint Lamens, the pass and ye Amaji ball. Man you for some ya build up play for even with Saint Lamens can one no press no. Liverpool were pressing very well and they were getting the balls away from Manchester United. Until I catch you say sustainable. Looking at how maybe I'm more than say because the most important thing now for United no and then the way of play getting results. And some of the results are you play players at their favorable spots and hope say they'll get the results for you. And Saudi now conversation now Bruno of course have na Bruno said the time I on it Ruben Amorim think on Ruben catcher and said say otebe na obebo as a number 6 sometimes say open goalkeeper na obeje ball no oye build up play free njo catcher coach said there be say me bet chire beje ball say me the ball na e come mostly a be a type of football na ye ball say me ball long ball de ko anim me so me fie ko anim I cannot do a box to box rule start creating from the back and finish creating up front. And I started creating it from material. Now I walk here, I could do anymore, or do any more than more. You are still expecting him to make the final pass for the striker. And that's one of the reasons why the type of footballer Ruben Amorim buy and Anyi. But under Michael Carrick, he's found these players to play in their favorable spots. And one of those players, no, I have Brighton, I have friend Kobe Menu. And a type of footballer, I'm going to airport and my club for United. This is the same player. Ruben Amorim said on it, Bruno and they play the same position. They are both number 8 and they are both number 10s. That was in his idea. And so Bruno Elbow number 8 on it come Mary April. Bruno come number 10. Someone placed at number 6 and number 8. Nebo come moves up front to compete with Bruno Fernandes. But under Michael Carrick, no, these players are all playing in the same team and they are performing at that level. Ronald Bissam said, what actually does Kobmenu do? There be a banny upon a baswa. Oboku, there are few players more. They scan and they renew. He renewed his contract with United. And after that contract renewal, no, scored the winning goal against Liverpool. So Kobe not yet. I know say the Man U for club was still going to the market trying to look for a midfielder. But it is just to strengthen that middle because Casemiro find someone to play with Community in that middle. But he just like Toni Kroos for me. Even though Toni Kroos, much of the ball was in the long passes, but how he reads the game, how he understands the game, no, maybe with experience he could get to that level. But Toni Kroos, moment for pace and common football, no, and we regard them as one of the best midfielders of all time. Pace shouldn't be a perimeter and measure whether a player is a very good midfielder or not. And what Comenu is showing that levels. Now for